Hey everybody, my name is Tyrel Denison. I'm Director of Engineering at Lofty, and we're kicking off a new series of content where we do short, shallow dives into technology that we're interested in, that we're utilizing here at Lofty, or even that I'm personally excited about. And we want it to be something you can consume really easily over a cup of coffee at the end of a long day of work. No 30-minute video that you feel the need to watch at double speed or something like that. We want you to be able to get in, get something, have a thought or two around it, and be excited for the next thing. And so this is the first of one of those series. It's not a TED Talk. It's not some sort of deep dive where I'm going to take you through a ton of code, though we are going to spend some time looking at coding videos. We'll be in my terminal. We'll be looking at any number of technical things, but this isn't meant to get you 100% up to speed on something. It's just to help scratch the itch of curiosity or maybe make you think about something in a new way. And so for this first series, we're going to be focusing on APIs. I've recently been reconsidering how I determine what API to use for what kind of service. I've had just a recent real realization of how badly we as an industry will quickly move on to the next thing when something new comes out. We're always innovating, we're always improving, we're always excited about new technology that promises new advantages. But oftentimes, when we do that, we leave where we were completely behind. We burn the bridge, we throw it in the dumpster, we never look back at it. But most of the time, there is real value in what we used to use or the way we used to do things that can still apply in a new context. And so we've done that with APIs. We went all in on REST and mangled the definition of that, turned everything into JSON canons, and kind of lost sight of how that concept of REST was initially defined. And then when REST being mangled, it didn't work the way we wanted it to anymore, we moved on to Graph QL. So we're starting to try and build everything in Graph QL now. But there's value in each of those. There's value in the old RPC concepts that we left when we went to REST. And so I'm wanting to take some time to revisit those three types of APIs: REST APIs, Graph QL APIs, RPC APIs, and determine what's the right tool for the right problem, rather than fitting the problem set to the tool I want to use, figuring out how to solve that problem with Graph QL. We want to look at a problem space and go, this is the best API for that problem. And that will allow us to make sure our code's efficient, make sure that it's accomplishing what it needs to and the way it needs to do it, rather than just getting really excited about a new thing and figuring out a new way to implement it. So I look forward to going through these with you, and stick around for the first video.